People red. People red. People red.
Okay, start.
People red. People red. People red. People red. People red.
Drone technology system that can detect human footsteps 500 feet from the sensors he's placed along the border. We decided to give it a test. We sent a team out into the field. As the team members start to move, it isn't long before the seismic sensors detect their footsteps. Back in the control room, the computer system outlines the region where the movement was detected. A drone is automatically dispatched to those coordinates to scope out the action. Within seconds, an alarm sounds.
People red.
SEIDARM detects people at the east end of the range and announces people red.
People red. Go homies.
Spooked horses set off an alarm, quickly ignored by SEIDARM.
People red.
Hilda is launched and begins a pre-programmed flight plan based on the sensor at the center of the alarm. SEIDARM detects human activity at the west end of the range and announces people red.
People red.
Within 5 seconds of the alarm, George is launched to intercept.
People red.
More than a half-mile away.
People red.
As George arrives at the target sensor, the source of the alarm is seen almost immediately.